What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this, I'm actually kind of livid right now. Before we get into this shoe review, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And again, we're hitting it really close to that 10,000 subscriber mark here on this channel. If you hit that subscribe button, once we hit 10K, I'm going to give away a Supreme Super Soaker and a Supreme Floral Skateboard deck. So definitely subscribe to the channel, support your boy, fight that algorithm. Alright, let's get on to the shoe review. Now, in receiving the shoe, you saw that I did the unboxing. It was like wrapped up, it was really protected, and like there was no way that this front of the box could be crumpled. And there's nothing worse than having a shoe box crumpled upon receiving it. Actually, I think the worst thing, there is something worse than that. The worst thing is when a company ships a shoe out to you in its shoe box and then just wrapped in plastic. That's the absolute worst. But Reebok did me dirty on this shoe. And actually, let's just get into it. So here is the shoe. I ordered on Alien Day the USCM, the Bug Stomper Reeboks, and this box looks super freaking immaculate. If anything, this is 2020 shoebox of the year. I have yet to see a shoebox this year that looks this freaking good. And then you open it, bam, bam, you see the little dots or the stars going on. You see the shoes right there. You got your left, you got your right, and then you see this Wayutech logo right here with the crumpled. Like, come on, Reebok. Like, you have one job, and I'm not even mad at the fact that I ordered this on Alien Day, and it's already May 13th. This was like super late already. I already get that we had the COVID situation, and I'm a pretty patient person, but this, when you have Nike and you have Adidas shipping out shoes like crazy, and Adidas and Reebok are the same company, like this coming super late kind of irritated me a little bit. And then waiting all that time just to get the shoebox with this, it's just like, come on, like I don't even want this shoe anymore. But let's take a look at the shoe anyways. It's funny, I'm not going to even give this shoe the proper B-roll respect that it probably deserves. Yeah, I'm just not giving them any B-roll. So this is the Reebok shoe. It's a tan colorway going on. You have the BDU cup in the back, the ankle strap with the two ankle straps at the front. You have two ankle straps. You have this strap, you have the strap that's at the back with the Reebok done in rubberized TPU. And I really do like the shoe. It has a lot of characteristics to it. You got the flags on the back. Both shoes actually featured two different designs. Let me open this one. The heel on this shoe actually has the eyes going on. You can see it right there. And then when you open it up, the sock liner is hella dope. It actually has like military style patches going on the inside, like right there. Pretty cool stuff. And then you have some more like as if the soldiers were writing stuff on the inside of the shoe. Pretty cool. I love the sock liner. Sock liner is freaking awesome. You guys just don't know, like I really wanted this shoe, and I'm really upset that the box looks like total crap. Alright, so you have the patch on this side. This is the lateral side of the left shoe. See, this stuff like this makes me happy. This stuff is legit. But, and then the QR code for Wayutech. If you haven't watched Aliens, you should definitely watch Aliens. Not that this shoe is in the movie, but it is based off of the movie. They've created several iterations of the shoes. They had the Alien Stomper Mids, they had these Bug Stompers, and then they had the one that Ripley, or Sigourney Weaver, which is her real name, the Alien Stomper Highs that she wore in the movie, and those ones are going for like $900 right now. I really want to cop a pair, but I don't see that happening anytime soon. I can't drop $900 on a Reebok, at least not now. I can't. So you have the neoprene sock liner going on, where the inside you have the zipper that you pull down to put your feet in. On the inside of the right pair of shoe, you have these dog tags right here which are clear and engraved on. It says USCM, SOL Division 2, blah 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 blah. The Utami Corporation, again, that Wayutech or the Wayland Utani, whatever it is the company or the contractors that were inside the Aliens movie. Just watch the movie if you haven't watched the movie already. Alright guys, I think that's about it for this video. You already know I'm super disappointed. I've never done a video like this where I was so livid at a shoe unboxing. I'm just like super pissed. The box definitely made the shoes. It wasn't the other way around. The shoes definitely didn't make the shoe box or the... I'm upset. Funny, I guess I should have mentioned the fact that I paid $218 for this shoe. So, I mean, when I'm paying that much, I just expect the packaging, the presentation, the shoes itself to be immaculate. I can get away with glue stains, but that box, I can't do anything. Especially, this is a movie prop. This is a collector's item. I can't do anything with this. I just gotta return it to Reebok and just get my money back, because this ain't it, y'all. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. I'm super livid. What do you think about this shoe? Is this a good pickup? Is this a bad pickup? Aside from the boxing, I think the shoes look pretty freaking dope. I really love the thought that went behind the shoe, even though it wasn't a shoe that was featured in the movie. The shoe looks good. What do you think about the shoe? Cop or drop? Well, how do you feel about receiving shoe boxes in this condition? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris.Catalunya with the _ at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And again, we're getting it close to that 10,000 mark on this YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't. I would greatly appreciate it. Fight that algorithm. And I guess I will catch you on the next shoe review. Hopefully the next box isn't as damaged as this. Alright guys, I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers! Sige na.